in my paternal grandmother's house, the frying pan was always on with latkes. It didn't have to be Hanukkah, but whoever would come in, there was always latkes on the stove. My grandfather loved them, and she made them all the time. That was his concession to Jewish food. My mother was a wonderful cook. It's going to sound awful, but she used to make tsinglekh. That's little calf's tongues. She used to make them sweet and sour, and it sounds awful, but it was delicious. And and also, don't laugh, and maybe you're going to have to cut it out. I don't know. She used to make brains, and she used to cook them, just boil them, really. Calves brains. Yeah, the little one. Um, and I remember, oh God, we used to have them with schmaltz and with onion. Oh, I don't know anybody that's going to hear this or see this is going to say, what in heaven's name is she talking about? But I think anybody that grew up, my mother used to make all of that stuff, milts, which was spleen. And she used to stuff it with grated potatoes. These were things that I would love. But then the government said you can't eat the organs, and they took a lot of it off the market. Tongue you can still get in the delicatessen. You can still get, but that's the large. This is my food. My ethnicity, my ethnic foods. And then I think she made them because they were a cheaper cut of meat, and what we could afford. That's what we had. My children also developed a taste for that. My son and my daughter. And my grandchildren now are doing that because my daughter brings that when she goes to Albany. She shops at the Jewish markets in Albany and brings stuff back. So they've learned, tongue is good. And it's good stuff, good Jewish stuff.